Hello and welcome back to my new video. In my previous video, I have told you people about the upcoming move we could have in Bitcoin and stock market. And I even gave you a trade with TP and a SL. If that TP got hit, you would have been in good profits. If the SL got hit, you would have exit the market with a small loss. Okay, let's see what was the scenario and what was the trade I gave you and what results we got. Okay, so I'm moving to my old video, and as you can see, I gave at 17 minutes. You can see that I told you people to enter market at about 18,500 to 18,700, and you people could exit at 19,200 to and so forth up to 20,000. Okay, and if the markets move downward, you should exit for at around 18,531. Okay, so I gave this trade, and after that, let's see what happened in the market. So, like, this was the I have to move to like 1 hour chart to show you people what just happened. It was 13th of Jan. Okay, so yeah, yeah, this is the point. Yeah, this was the point. I think just so you can see that I gave you trade at this point. Uh, 18,500. It was around this point. 13th of J. Yes, this was the point, and I gave you like target of this point. Okay, and with a stop loss over here. Yeah, this 18,513. I think this. Yeah, this was the stop loss. So we entered the trade and we got a profit of around 3%. Okay, so if you had take some leverage with that, so you must be in good profit. So moving back to my uh, chart analysis, let's get towards SPX. Okay, so this is the New York Stock Exchange, and SPX contain the top 500 companies of New York Stock Exchange. Okay, so as you can see after my last video, the market have pumped a lot, and like you can see, the market have pumped around like 3 to 5% after that. So now market is in a confusion stage because we are having a FOMC meeting tomorrow. So that will decide whether the markets will go up or not. To see what will happen in the economy and in stock market, you can head towards forexfactory.com. This is the website where you can get all the economical big events details. Okay, so as you can see, tomorrow on 2nd of Feb, we are having a FOMC meeting, which is like the federal government of America, and they are about to announce the next interest rate for the banks. Okay, so as you can see, the previous interest rate for about 4.50%, and the forecast is around 4.75, which means a increment of 25 base points. Okay, if the market gets an increment of 25 base point, the market will pump. Okay, and if the actual numbers are greater than this point, like 5% or maybe 5.25%, the market is going to dump a lot, dump badly, I would say. Okay, so you should always consider this website before taking any trade, because there could be an event, and if you entered the trade wrong, like if you entered the trade in opposite of market, you're going to face some big losses. So So you should stay away from market if there is some event and you don't know how to trade in events. Okay, so the you can see, whenever you see this website, you should like watch this impact column. Whichever column is having red color in it, that means that have a huge impact in on markets. Okay, so you can see these three events are going to have big events effects. After that, these three four, and you can see that these are here, you can watch and observe them accordingly. So going back towards chart, so I have told you what will happen if the market will, if the basis point will be around 25 base point, so the market will pump like this, then it will take a little bit correction, then like this, then a little bit correction, then this, and so and up to so forth. Okay, but if the market would like have more than 25 base point, the market will go down again, some take some retest, again down, again retest, again down. Okay, so these are the two scenarios which could happen in market in upcoming 1 to 2 days. Okay, so you should trade according to these factors, these factors. Okay, so I'm moving towards Bitcoin. So as you can see, Bitcoin moved a lot, and this is the trade I think I gave you. So after that, it moved even more. So let's see what is the current resistance as of now, because all the resistances we have before were broken. So I am into a trade, like you can see, but I don't recommend you to join me on this trade because I have put my stop loss at my entry. If like this, my SL will get it, I would get out of the market with no loss. Okay, still it is a risky trade, but I saw some volume in smaller time frames, so I entered it. Okay, so yeah, let's get the resistance as of now. Okay, so as you can see, this is my chart, and the current resistance we are facing is like this point, like it's 24,300 something, and after that we will have a resistance of around 25,200, which was like the you can say like this resistance is the June's uh, no, it's this resistance is when the Ethereum merge was in news. Okay, so this is a good point where we will see a huge selling pressure, and if this resistance is not like respected, the market will move even more upside, like it could move up to 27 or 28,000 dollars. So this is just my probability based predictions. You can either take a trade according to this, like the market would go upside like this. Okay, so it totally depends upon you. If you want to take trade, you should first watch the news, and if the news is according to the expected expected base point, you should go for long. Otherwise, don't go for long. Try to exit the market. Okay, and wait for some few days until you get some good point to enter again. Same is the case with Ethereum. Ethereum is also having a resistance level at $1,684, and you can see like it got rejected previously on 4th of November. After that, it got rejected on 20 and 21st December, and still it's in the same range. You can take screenshot of this chart, because this is my analysis I have done, and you can take help from that. And if Ethereum is able to break this resistance, it could move to this point, which is around $1,786 to $1,790. So I would like to mark these points like this. Like this could be an area where the next resistance is residing. Okay, so I have marked this. You can like trade it according to your preferences. Still, if markets goes up, it will go like this. It won't shoot up like in a straight line. And if the market dumps from it, it will go like this, because market follows a pattern called higher high and higher low. Okay, the same is the case with uh, USDT dominance. So you can see the dollar index has been falling drastically, and it is moving like downwards since like last few weeks. So I think the dollar will get support near these points, which are like 101.5%. If the market dumps, we will see that dollar will again move downwards. And if dollar will move downwards, that means we will see a pump in cryptocurrencies, forex, and all that stuff. Okay, so you should also consider checking dollar index. Okay, so I have like given you my analysis upon these three or four indices. So if you want another thing, I want to add another thing, so that you people could get a better understanding of how these things will go up, and if they will go up or down, like on how much percentage or how much probability is there that they will go up a lot or not. So to see this, you should search for BTC.D. This means that Bitcoin's dominance in the market, like the total money. Like if there is $100 in total market, the 44.3% dollars belongs to Bitcoin. Okay, so this is what it shows. So you can see the Bitcoin dominance is also at is near resistance. So if Bitcoin resistance will increase, that will cause a decrease in you. Let's say the Bitcoin dominance is increasing. Okay, so you can see there is another pair which is called ETH.D. That means the money in like Ethereum. So we have like $19.23 as of my last example I told you. Okay, so it was moving, and when Bitcoin's dominance increased and pumped, so we saw that Ethereum dominance decreased. Okay, so these are also good factors to consider before entering. And another good thing to check is like this USDT dominance. This means that total dollars in the market. The more the dollars are, the less are the chances that it would pump. The less the dollars in USDT dominance, that means the market have huge potential of going upside. You can see the dollars are getting low in the market. Okay, whenever dollars are getting low in the market, that means there is a possibility of possibility that market will go down. Okay. Sorry, market will go up and dollar will go down. But now there is a do or die situation, because we don't know what would be the results tomorrow. If results are according to the given data, that would move the dollar downwards. Okay, otherwise dollar will go up and all the other commodities will go down. So these are just analysis. If you want to trade, I just want to share a trade with you, but I don't recommend you to trade with some big money. Okay, so I'm just trading this one, and if you want to go for long, okay, this is not not a very good trade because on the days of meetings you should avoid trading, but still if you want to take some like part in trading, you should go for long near 22,400, or to be more safe you should like uh, this point. These are the weak area, and markets would try to grab the SLs because a lot of people have put their SL here. So market will try to get their SL and then move up if the news is good. If not, then we will surely get like downward pressure from here. Okay, and you should like consider a stop loss of 1.85. Like putting it near 21,869 dollars. So I think this is not a bad SL. Let me just give you another thing. So if you have $3 and you want to risk like let's say 2% of your total portfolio, like if you have $330, you want to risk $6, $6.6. So this is how this long tool works. So you can target this point if markets go well, and you are like targeting a loss of 1.85% for the profit of 12%, 12.86 profit percent. So I think this is a good risk to reward. If your trades get good, you will get huge profit. If not, then that will cause you a little bit of $1.83 loss. So if the market is bad and you got a bad news, you can also trade like going for short from this point, uh, like this. You should like keep your SL a little bit up because there could be some weeks too, because this market would get manipulated tomorrow. So you should not go for short before the area of 24,564. Okay, and your SL should be like 25,455, like 3.36% SL. Okay, go with little of leverage so your losses are less in case the trades go opposite. Okay, and you should like target first this area 21,500. I think, yeah, this 21,563. This again have a like good risk to reward. You will get 3.63% loss and a profit of around 12%. Okay, so that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to share the new videos on daily basis. If not on daily basis, I will try to like create videos after 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.